If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close League of Legends completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the game servers and may resolve temporary issues causing the loading screen to freeze. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game client. Ensure that your game client is fully updated. Open the League of Legends launcher and allow it to download any available updates. An outdated client can lead to loading issues. Step 4. Repair the game. Use the built-in repair tool in the League of Legends client. Go to the settings menu, find the repair option, and run it. This will fix any corrupted game files that might be causing the loading problem. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking League of Legends. Add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the firewall/antivirus to see if it resolves the loading issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the support team for further assistance.